So the next step of this is we're going to actually start to put some numbers on the top of our cube. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create here. And once again, I'm going to go to, actually I'm going to go sketch so we can get these lines again. So I'm going to go create a line. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to start this over here just so you can kind of see what this is going to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click off of it. So I'm going to hit escape. And you can see now I can select this line. And once I do that, I'm going to hit X to make this a construction line. And you can kind of see it's kind of uh, hard to see for a second, but you can see there is a dotted line here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit D for dimension, and I'm going to click on this line to this line. Well, I'm going to try again. There we go. And you can see that even though I put this to the side, I can click this and it'll say 5 for a second. Now what I'm wanting to do is I want to move this line directly to the center. Now since this whole thing is 25, I can actually just divide it in two, and I'm going to type in 12.5, and you're going to see now I actually have the center of this. So I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to do this on the bottom. So once again, I'm going to click on L and just kind of make sure that this goes across. I'm going to go 25, and I shouldn't have any angle on there at all. So we should be good. So once again, I'm going to hit escape, click on that line, hit X to make it a construction line, and then D for distance. And click on this line here and here. Let's try this again. You can see it says 8. So I'm going to once again move it to 12.5. Now that I have that, I know that this is the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to circle, and we're going to start with a 1 here. Probably should have started with that. And I'm going to move this to a 5. We're going to have some, I'm going to move this to a 4. Let's move this to a 4. Okay, so once I have that, you can see I'll have finished sketch. Now I have this directly in the center. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I want to actually go to press pull. So I'm going to click on that circle, press pull, and I'm going to move it down now. And what this is going to do, as you can kind of see over here, this is going to cut it. And I've got it 1 millimeter into my cube, and we're good.